Hello, my name is Chris. I'm one of the technicians here at Genesis of Schaumburg. So now we're going to be talking about brakes. Finished up balancing your tires. Before we put those back on, always want to make sure do a full thorough inspection. As you can see here, you're at 4 millimeters. There's still a little bit of life remaining. They're not quite gone. We typically start recommending brakes at 4 millimeters. That way, the customer has a little bit of time remaining before their brakes are absolutely gone and does not put you in any harm's way. Lets you know that yes, they are definitely in need of replacement. Whereas the rotor surface here you can see is clean. There's no rust lip at the edge or anything. They're not warped, they're not scored. If you let your brake pads wear too far down, you'll see the backing material here will actually start coming into contact with the rotor directly and will actually damage your rotors. You don't always need to replace your pads and your rotors. In this case, you can just resurface your rotors and replace just the pads. That's why we recommend brakes at that time. That way you don't come in for service because you have a grinding noise and your brakes are just absolutely gone, because the backing plate would be rubbing up right against the rotor, causing metal-to-metal contact and destroying the surface of your rotors. Thanks for watching Tech Explains. My name is Chris with Genesis of Schaumburg, and I will see you next time.